So the first question required us to create an LWC component wherein we will input like these fields which are supposed to be compulsory and these fields are supposed to be static. So I tomorrow I can change instead of account I can add or remove it, and it should automatically work in the LWC component instead of me going again in the code and changing it. Also, a submit and a cancel button needed to be present in the LWC component. The working is here. So as you can see, this is the LWC component here, and these fields are compulsory, and of course they are all being mapped and everything. And let's try to make a simple account. Um, and if we click on save, the case has been created, and this is the crate that is created, and we have been redirected to the new screen. And if we click on the cancel button, suppose if we have entered one field and click cancel, it will just reload. And yeah, we need to fill all these fields for us to be able to work. The code for this is here. As sir has suggested yesterday, some of the fields might be required and some of them might not in the future. So instead of putting everything in one metadata and accessing it via comma separated list, what we could have done, as in the case of question number 3, we could have created a field for each, so account and then contact in the metadata itself. This is the metadata. Here we have all the fields which were required. As in the question, since all the fields were required, I did not go ahead and create different for one, but in the future we should keep in mind that account is like in one record, contact id is in another record, type is in another record, and so on. So this is these are, yeah, so this is the submit on success button, and this is the navigate to this record button, and this is just for the cancel button. This is the Apex class.